Hello everyone, we are learning simple, compound and complex sentences. In the previous video, we learned about simple sentences. So what we learned there, let's have a recap of that. Simple sentences are the sentences which are having one main clause, or we can learn it another way that simple sentences are the sentences which are having one finite verb, right? Then rest is what? Compound sentence. So we discussed that also in the previous video, that compound sentences are the sentences which are having two main clauses or two independent clauses. When we talk about clauses, clause is a sentence, it's a kind of sentence which is having one subject and one predicate, right? So that is what. So in compound sentence, we need the combination of something. So that combination is possible with the help of conjunctions. And we discussed about the conjunctions. For the compound sentences, we need coordinate conjunctions, right? And those coordinate conjunctions we discussed yesterday in the previous video also, that if we'll talk about, I just gave you the very easy and the simple way to learn that. That is what you have to learn, this abbreviation of fan boys, right? So this is for A for and, N for neither nor, B for but, O for or and otherwise, by for yet, and S for so, right? So these are known as coordinate conjunctions. Other than this, the rest conjunctions which are used to join these sentences, those are subordinate conjunctions, and if those subordinate conjunctions are there in the sentences, so that's why that time the sentence is known as complex sentence. Clear? So this fan voice you have to learn for the the transformation of simple sentences to compound sentences. But first we will just try to get the identification also, that which is simple sentence and which is compound and which is complex, right? So we discussed simple sentences yesterday. Suppose I just give you sentence, Geeta opened the door, Geeta opened the door. This was the first sentence. And second was, she saw outside, right? So both of them, first one and the second one, both of them are what? Simple sentences. If we want to make if we want to transform these simple sentences into this compound sentence, so we need one conjunction, right? So what we will just do there, that Geeta opened the door and saw outside. So this is a third sentence which we framed from which we have transformed from these sentences, these simple sentences. But this time the nature of this sentence is not simple, because this is having one joining word, that is a conjunction, and that word is which one? That is and. So this is what? And in the category of fanboys? Yes, in the second, right? So this is what? This is compound sentence, right? So like this you will identify that which one is simple, which is compound and which is complex. So if we will get these fan voice conjunctions, so then the sentence will be compound, right? But if we have only one subject and one verb, so that will be simple sentence only. Let's work on some more sentences. One more sentence I am writing here. It was raining outside. This is one sentence, right? And the second sentence is, I took an umbrella. Right? Two sentences. So let's discuss what is the nature of this first one and what is the nature of second one. Because this is having it was raining outside, so this is having only one subject and one verb, right? And this also, I took an umbrella, this is also it's a main clause type, so this is having one subject and one verb. Both of the sentences are of simple sentences category. Now if we want to join them, right, and we want to transform both of the sentences into compound sentence, what we have to do? It was raining outside, I took an umbrella. So that's why I took an umbrella. No? So that's why we will not use here. What is the conjunction appropriate for that? That is so. Right. So how you will change, how you will transform the sentence? It was raining outside, so I took an umbrella. Now this is what? This is a compound sentence because we have joined two sentences, two simple sentences with conjunction, and that conjunction we have used is so, and this is what? Of the category of coordinate conjunction. And when we have this type of combination of two sentences which is possible with the help of coordinate conjunction, so that is known as compound sentence, right? So it was raining outside, so I took an umbrella. This is the sentence. And what is the type of sentence now? The new sentence is of compound. It's a compound sentence now. Clear? So this is the way you have to change different sentences, different simple sentences into compound sentences. Let's take the screenshot of this and then we will try some more sentences of this category. So let's practice some more sentences. I was swimming. This is what? It's a simple sentence because this is having one subject, one verb, right? I don't like it. So what is this? This is also a simple sentence. I was swimming. I don't like it. That's what? It's a contrast in the statement. Both the statements are contrast. So what? When there is contrast, right, and we want to join the sentences as a compound or as a compound sentence, so what we have to choose? That's what? But, right? So what is the new sentence which we will frame with the help of these simple sentences? It is I was swimming, but I don't like it. I don't like it, right? So this is a new sentence, and what is the type of this sentence? The type of the sentence is compound because we have joined these two sentences with the word that is called conjunction, and this is of the category of fanboys. So the new framed sentence is of what is the type of this? Compound sentence, right? So this is the way you have to change. You have to transform these simple sentences into compound sentences. Now let's write down, just take the screenshot of or write down this, and then we will do some more sentences. Next sentence I am writing, it was late. I was not tired. Okay, so both these sentences are of which category? First one, it was late, simple sentence. I was not tired, this is also simple sentence. Now we have to transform into compound sentence, right? So it was late, yet I was not tired. लेट हो गया था लेकिन फिर भी मैं टायर्ड नहीं हुआ, मैं नहीं थका. सो फिर भी इज व्हाट? That's we have to choose yet. So it is what? It was late, yet I was not tired. Right? So this is what? That's a combination of two sentences, of two simple sentences with coordinate conjunction, which is yet, and which is the category of fanboys. So this is once again what it is. It's a compound sentence. Take the screenshot and note down in your notebook, and I hope you learned that how to change simple sentences into compound sentences, and how you have to identify. That's very easy way. If you will get any conjunction out of these, for, and, neither, nor, but, or, otherwise, yet, and so those sentences will be known as compound sentences. Okay. So this is enough for today, and in the next video we will learn about these complex sentences. So there also I will give you the new trick. Please note it down and try to solve the exercises given in your book of this simple compound sentences. Thank you very much.